So stay with me till the end and I'll tell you the best, absolute best secret about the Railay Beach Peninsula. So hang with me till the end, you'll really enjoy it. You know, depending on how long you have for your visit to Krabi, I recommend you try to stay at least a couple nights on Railay Beach, and then perhaps a few nights as well on Phra Nang, in the Phra Nang area. Both of them are really cool, and they have different things they offer. This longtail boat from Phra Nang to Railay Beach costs 100 Thai baht, or less than $3 for this great ride and amazing view. If Railay Beach is not on your bucket list, what is? Really? Tell me what in the comments is on your bucket list if Railay Beach is not. I'd love to know. We stayed a week in Koh Phi Phi and then a full week in Phra Nang and 10 wonderful nights on Railay Beach. Railay Beach in the morning, right after we had breakfast, right on the beach. You know, I love Phi Phi Island and Maya Bay and all of that, but I have to confess that Railay Beach, it is my favorite. You know, on Railay, they have to import all of their fresh water, so sometimes some restaurants don't necessarily use the best water when they're making your smoothie or whatever they're making. So we learn to be careful about the water we drink and the smoothies we drink. So you don't want to get sick or get food poisoning on your vacation, so be careful.
This is the walkway at the Sand Sea Resort. Headed down to a little bungalow. We're in 221. This one here. But let me go show you the koi pond right up here. Very nice here. Sometimes you meet a little monitor lizard. Some of them are not so little. And often you have monkeys visit. It's pretty vast here. You can go from east to west in about a 5 or 10 minute walk. I really have enjoyed my stay. A lot of monkeys here. A lot of bird noises. Okay, guys. Oh, you got something, huh?
Oh, this little guy fall. Hi.
Well, thanks for hanging out with me. I promised I would tell you about the best thing about Railay Beach Peninsula, and it is Phra Nang Cave Beach. Absolutely most spectacular beach I have ever been to. Be sure to watch my full guide to Phra Nang Cave Beach video. It really has stunning footage.
People will start arriving here very soon. So I was here during high tide the other day, way over my head. I swam around that little cliffy thing now that's exposed, and I was way in here. There was no beach back here then. Now the tide is really low and totally different world. This is like the most magical place. I think it's my best beach pick. in Thailand yet, but I feel lucky to be here.